gonna have to do. Chevy Tracker has an exhaust leak. What are we gonna do? It's not super loud, but they failed it at the state inspection, and I thought for sure it was gonna be from the donut over here, which I replaced. But then, listening with a piece of tubing, the noise is coming from in here. Somewhere up in here. So we gotta remove this heat shield and see what's going on. There's a bolt there and a bolt over there. I know they're gonna break off, but I'll try to get that thing off in one piece. See what's in there. I think there's a little flex coupler in there allowing for expansion to back and forth, and there's a crack in it. We hit them with the air grinder. Got them bolts cut off. Now we could pry this open. Hopefully they're not welded together, these two pieces. Let's see. Otherwise we're going to be cutting the shield off. Come on. What do we got going on with this? Just as I suspected. There is a joint, but where is it leaking? Probably right in there. Really no good way to try to weld that crack. I just needed to pass inspection one more time. It's insulation material. Of course, the crack is probably right on the top. I could kind of see it right in there right now. Yep. I guess I'm going to attempt to try to weld it. Can't tell how far up it goes. I'll only be able to get the welder in between the spots that I could see. But if I could muffle it enough to get by, that's what we're going to try to do. And now you can hear it a little bit better. And it goes all the way from up here, all the way down to around there. It's not too hot yet, but now it's getting hot. Cleaned up down in that groove with a little sandpaper. To change this pipe out will be a royal pain in the butt. Plus, nobody has this. I'd have to order it and wait. I've already repaired this several times when it's been rusting away. So, it's an old car, and these are old car problems. So, we should be able to get in there and actually put a bunch of small little spot welds in, probably up to about there. Then we're just going to wrap it with some muffler tape and wire, close it up, and actually put the cover back on. And this should be able to sneak through our state inspection here. And here is a perfect example of the most crappiest weld you will ever see. This is what you get. Now let's start it up and see how much quieter it actually is. And then we're going to wrap it up with some fiberglass tape. Better a little bit, but I can feel it mostly coming out right from up here. That's good where we welded, but I can't get up there with the welder. Well, desperate times, desperate measures. We're going to put the cover back on, pack that insulation around it that was in there, and we're going to call it a day. If you found this helpful, please do me a favor. Hit the thumbs up. Thanks for watching. That's gonna have to do.